Constitution Day, also known as National Law Day, is celebrated in India on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted to the Constitution of India and it became into effect on 26 January 1950. Today on the occasion of Constitution Day, I Bharat Jain going to speak about our father of Constitution who is B.R. Ambedkar. He belonged to the Mahar caste and people belonging to this caste were also called untouchables at that time. The meaning of untouchable was that if any belonging of the upper castes was touched by the people of lower caste, it was considered impure and the people of the upper caste would not use those things. Even the children belonging to the lower caste could not go for school for studies due to poor thinking of the society. Fortunately, the government ran a special school for the children of all the employees working in the army, so B.R. Ambedkar's early education could be possible. Despite being good at studies, he, along with his all friends, were seated outside the class or in corner of the class. The teachers there also paid little attention to them. These children were not allowed to even touch the tap of drinking water. The peon of the school used to pour water on their hands from a great distance and then they used to get water to drink. And when the peon was absent, they had to study and go without water despite being thirsty. After India's independence on 15th August 1947, Ambedkar became the first law minister and despite his deteriorating health, he gave a strong law to India. Then his written constitution came into force on 26 January 1950 and in addition to this, the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, was established with the views of Bhimrao Ambedkar. Ambedkar opposed Article 370 while making the Constitution of India, which granted a special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and which was included against his wishes. He did not wanted Article 370 to be granted to Jammu and Kashmir because he thought that this will bring differentiation between different states of India. After all, while struggling with political issues, Bhimrao Ambedkar's health deteriorated day by day and then on 6th December 1956 he passed away. He had changed the thinking of society to a great extent. He ensured that Dalits and women get their rights. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was a great politician and jurist. He struggled a lot throughout his life. He implied laws for the lower caste people and he was the only chief architect of the Indian Constitution.